Hey y'all, and welcome back. I know that I said during the week I was going to try to do makeup videos, but I just didn't have it in me to do anything makeup related. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my home that's decorated for Halloween. As you can see, I like to do cutesy. I don't do scary, and I'm just going to show you around. And if I remember where things are from, then I will tell you. So the first thing I'm showing you right now is my fabric garland that I actually made myself. I will link my video down below. I did a 4th of July fabric garland tutorial, and I will link that down below so that you can do your own. So I'm showing you right there a really cute craft that me and my children did when they were little. And then this painting here, my older stepdaughter painted for me. So then now I'm going to show you into my dining room. I kept my dining room very simple. So this table runner was from Home Goods, and then the placemats are from Hobby Lobby. I believe this centerpiece, flower centerpiece, is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. That large pumpkin in the middle I made myself. The garland is from TJ Maxx, and then the fabric pumpkins that you see, the buffalo check fabric pumpkins that are on the side, these right here, I actually made myself. So really easy. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube. I didn't create one, but I know there are many that I followed when I was learning how to create those. So I'm just showing you my dining room, and then now I'm going to take you into the living room. Like I said, I kept it pretty simple this year. I'm just not in the mood. Like, it's so darn hot. I don't feel like it's fall, and as you'll notice, that right there I just showing you, I actually made myself. So this garland here is, or actually this here in the middle, I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby, and the two little witches on the side are from Hobby Lobby. Each of them represent one of my kids. They pick their own. And then the garland again is from Kirkland's. So as I was saying, it's just so darn hot. I don't feel in the mood. Fall is not something that comes along in Houston until really late, and then we get like one day of it, and then it's winter, and then it's summer again. So it's like, I just didn't feel in the mood. See, she doesn't feel in the mood either. She's just telling me, Mommy, I'm not in the mood. So the pillows right here, these buffalo check pillows, there's actually two different styles. One has pom-poms on it, and the other one is just plain. Those right there have the pom-poms on it. I got those off of Amazon. These placemats here, I got these off of Hobby Lobby. I got them from Hobby Lobby. Showing you that they're two-sided. So when November comes around, I'll flip them over to that side. But I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were inexpensive. They were $1.99 each, and then they were 40% off. I also got these coasters that I'm showing you from Hobby Lobby, and then I got that mat. I believe I got it from Dollar General. I think it was only like $5, so it is kind of small. Next, I'm showing you what I have in my kitchen. This little towel, I believe, was from TJ Maxx. And then this sign here is also from TJ Maxx, and it's cute. Happy Halloween, Nomies. This pumpkin here, I believe, is a Hobby Lobby purchase. I've had that one for quite a while. This napkin here that says this paper, no, what is it called? Freaking towel. I'm here for the booze. Apparently I'm needing it because I couldn't remember what the heck that was called. So, now I'm going to take you into my bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. And this towel here from TJ Maxx. This little scent oil burner is from Bath & Body Works. And then this soap here is from TJ Maxx, and then that little candle was from Walmart. The pumpkin in the back, I don't remember where it's from. I believe it's not a Dollar Tree. I think it was a Joann's. And then these little guys here, so I believe that those are from Hobby Lobby. Not too sure. And then I made this pumpkin painting, which I'm going to fiddle with because it's crooked. And I don't know how I got crooked, but then I keep messing with it and it goes really wonky, and then I finally get it settled. But I actually made this, and I just went on Pinterest one day and found I looked up DIY canvas pumpkin paintings or something like that, and then I found this guy, so I made that myself. And then I use my silhouette to create this little restroom sign. Normally it's just a man and a woman, but we have like a Harry Potter theme or whatever for Halloween. And then that pumpkin there is from, I believe it's Walmart. I can't remember. And then, yeah, that is what is going on in my guest bathroom. And then this little scent burner, it lights up. So then that is it for the inside of the home. Oh no, sorry. So then I'm showing you this candle that I had gotten from Walmart. I do not recommend. It smells good when you open up the lid, but it does not have any kind of throw. And that little guy right there, he's from Walmart. And then I got some candy. But that candle that I got from Walmart, do not recommend. Then that little pick right there is also a Walmart purchase. And then I'm going to come around and stand up my little pumpkin that I got from Dollar General. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for my inside of the home. And then I'm going to take you out onto the porch and show you what I didn't show you out there. So when I take you outside, I'm going to skip around on a few pieces because my name happens to be on a few of them. So just showing you what I have sitting on this little table I have outside. And then I have this little metal pumpkin. I have this Happy Halloween. I believe it's from Walmart. It's either from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. I can't remember. I've had it for several years. And a lot of times I get stuff when the season is over and I'll find stuff on clearance. And I believe that boo is either from Walmart or Hobby Lobby. And then that boo is from Family Dollar. This little Which Way Treat Street, she's starting to get a little bit old and beat up, so she may not make it too many more years. She's been around for a long time. And then just showing you a couple of these things that I have. I either got that from Hobby Lobby or Joann's. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and then I've made this wreath, and this is probably a good 5 to 8 years old. And it's seen better days. Like, it's dropped several times, and the ornaments have broken. Apparently I didn't get ornaments that don't break. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I have decorated for my Halloween. I don't do fall, then Halloween, and then Thanksgiving like a lot of people do it like that. I go straight to Halloween, a little bit of fall, and then I will do my autumn stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.